Let's do a wheel swap on the Hot Wheels Riveted. This release of the Riveted is from the brand new mystery model set with the 510, the Porsche, and the BMW. And this is number 6 in the set, that's why it has the number 6 on it. And honestly, this looks like a really cool car. Looks like a nice muscle car. I picked it up, and I figured we should do a nice wheel swap with some real riders. So I picked up one of these combat medics from the Avengers set with the drag bike. I actually just traded one of these miniature Mustangs for the 510 2-pack. One of these and then one of the other cars. But without further ado, let's get working, shall we? Okay, so we are going to go with a small bit first. Slow and steady. That makes a nice hole so that we can tunnel it right and it doesn't break the full rivet. Slow and steady is the way to go, especially considering this is a plastic body. And I'll be back once I get both of these done. Now we got this guy all drilled apart. We gotta get this guy drilled apart. It looks like it's only the one rivet. We're gonna use a slightly bigger bit to do so here. So after a bit of drilling and into the little hooks that hold the wheels in place, and a little bit of prying with something that's small but hard, like a piece of metal, you can get all of these wheels out. Last thing we gotta do now is place the wheels in the way we want them, and we can put this thing back together. And wow, does that look cool or what? Man, I think those wheels look a lot better. I was either going to do this or the circle trucker, but I figured the wheels would just look nicer on like a silver casting. And I am not wrong with this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little wheel swap. Thanks for watching, happy hunting, and stay safe.